am at Akash Institute, one of the top coaching centers in Sri Vijayapuram. For NEET JEE competitive exams, then this place is a game changer. Here, faculty have taught thousands of NEET and JEE toppers. 36 plus years of legacy in producing top rankers. और हम यही expert coaching ले आए हैं आपके श्री विजयपुरम.
Last year, their students cracked JEE, NEET and Olympiad top rank.
If you are aiming for IIT, AIMS or top engineering or medical colleges, Akash Sri Vijayapuram is your launchpad. Admissions open for this year 25-26. For more details, contact us today.
जय हिंद, मैं यामिन न्यूज अंडमान 24/7 में आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं। आज हम सभी द्वीपवासियों के लिए एक बहुत ही गर्व का दिन है। ये मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूं क्योंकि हमारे द्वीपों के जो सीनियर एनसीसी कैडेट्स हैं, हम सीनियर कह रहे हैं मगर चूंकि वे एनसीसी कैडेट्स हैं तो वे छात्र हैं, युवा है हमारे द्वीपों के, जिनमें से 10 छात्र और 10 छात्राएं मिलकर जो है एक समुद्री यात्रा पर जाएंगे, जिसका आज यहाँ पे फ्लैग ऑफ होने वाला है। हमारे सिंक एंड वाइस एडमिरल अजय कोचर जी जो इस समारोह का फ्लैग ऑफ करेंगे। यहाँ तमाम जितने भी हमारे एनसीसी कैडेट्स बैठे हुए हैं आप देख सकते हो, तो सैकड़ों की संख्या में हमारे द्वीपों के नेवल एंड आर्मी के एनसीसी के बच्चे आज इस समारोह में पहुंचे हुए हैं, जो अभी कुछ ही देर में यहाँ पे शुरू होने वाली है। एंड इनके लिए भी ये बहुत गर्व की बात है कि हमारे द्वीपों के सिंक एंड वाइस एडमिरल अजय कोचर जी इनको संबोधित करेंगे, इन्हें अच्छी प्रेरणादायक बातें कहेंगे एंड अपना एक्सपीरियंसेस भी इनके साथ शेयर करेंगे। वहीं हम आपको बता दें कि वो जो 20 एनसीसी कैडेट्स इस समुद्री यात्रा के लिए निकलेंगे, वे जो है उन 21 द्वीपों की यात्रा करेंगे जिन्हें हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने हमारे परमवीर चक्र अवार्डी जो सैनिक थे उनके नाम से उन द्वीपों का नाम रखा है। आप पीछे ये जो बोर्ड है उसमें भी आप देख सकते हो, मेजर सोमनाथ शर्मा, लांस नायक करम सिंह, सेकंड लेफ्टिनेंट रघुबा राणे, नायक जादूनाथ सिंह, कंपनी हवलदार मेजर पीरू सिंह, गुरबचन सिंह सलारिया जी, मेजर धन सिंह थापा, सूबेदार जोगिंदर सिंह, मेजर शैतान सिंह, CQMH अब्दुल हमीद, लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल आरबेशेर बुलजोर जी तारापोरे, लांस नायक अल्बर्ट एक्का, फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर निर्मलजीत सिंह शेखो, सेकंड लेफ्टिनेंट अरुण खेत्रापल, मेजर होशियार सिंह, नायब सूबेदार बाना सिंह, मेजर रामास्वामी, लेफ्टिनेंट मनोज कुमार पांडे, ग्रेनेडियर योगेंद्र सिंह यादव, राइफलमैन संजय कुमार, कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा। इन सब नामों को हमने कभी ना कभी अपने जीवन में एक बार जरूर सुना है, क्योंकि इनकी कुर्बानी ही है जिस वजह से आज हमारे अंडमान निकोबार के द्वीपों के नाम जो है इनके नाम से रखा गया है। तो ये हमारे एनसीसी कैडेट्स उन द्वीपों पर जाएंगे और यकीन मानिए उन द्वीपों पर जाना उतना आसान भी नहीं है, क्योंकि उन द्वीपों में जहाज के भिड़ने के लिए जेट्टी ही नहीं है। तो लगभग जहां तक वे जहाज जाते हैं वहां तक पहुंचेंगे, उसके बाद उन बच्चों को जो है फ्लोटिंग बोट में उन द्वीपों के किनारे जाना होगा, जहां पे मगरमच्छ का भी डर होता है एंड पानी की जो गहराई है वो ज्यादा भी नहीं होती है। वहां से पार होते हुए वे जो है उन द्वीपों पर जाएंगे एंड हमारे जिस भी परमवीर चक्र अवार्डी के नाम पर उस द्वीप को रखा गया है उनकी गाथा वहां पे बताई जाएगी, उस द्वीप की मिट्टी को लिया जाएगा और फिर आने वाले 26 जनवरी को हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के सामने एक कलश स्वरूप उन्हें वहां पे पेश किया जाएगा। ये सुनकर और ये पूरी जानकारी जानने के बाद और जब मैं इस वक्त बोल रहा हूं, मुझे भी बड़ा गर्व महसूस हो रहा है हमारे इन परमवीर चक्र अवार्डीज के लिए, जिनकी महानता सदियों तक याद रखी जाएगी, और उन एनसीसी के नौजवानों के लिए भी जो इस समुद्री यात्रा पर जाने वाले हैं। इसी यात्रा का ये जो है सेकेंड फेज है जो आज यहाँ से शुरू होगा। एक पद यात्रा के तौर पर जैसे ही फ्लैग ऑफ होगा तो 20 बच्चे जो है पद यात्रा करते हुए या फ्लैग पॉइंट से नेवल वॉर्फ तक जाएंगे और फिर वे जो है नेवल वॉरशिप LCU 51 और LCU 56 में सवार होकर इन द्वीपों की यात्रा के लिए निकल जाएंगे। तो इसी कार्यक्रम को कवर करने के लिए आज हम यहाँ पर आए हैं। हमारे चैनल को भी आमंत्रित किया गया है ताकि हम इस कवरेज को करें और हम द्वीपवासियों के समक्ष रखें ताकि हमारे द्वीपों में जो युवा है वे भी एनसीसी से जुड़ने के लिए प्रेरित हो। एनसीसी आपको एकता से जोड़ती है, एनसीसी आपके जीवन को समृद्ध करती है, एनसीसी आपके जीवन में अनुशासन लाती है। इसीलिए अगर आप स्कूली छात्र हो और आपके स्कूल में एनसीसी में जुड़ने का अवसर है तो बिल्कुल भी पीछे मत हटिएगा, एनसीसी जरूर ज्वाइन कीजिएगा और हो सके तो आगे चलकर भारतीय सेना में भी जुड़ने का प्रयास कीजिएगा, जिसकी शुरुआत हमें स्कूल से ही करनी होगी। तो चलिए हम आप लोगों को आज के इस पूरे कार्यक्रम की ओर ले चलते हैं। सबसे पहले हम लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर एंड कमांडिंग ऑफिसर नेवल एनसीसी रियाज फारूक सर, हम इनसे मिलेंगे एंड आज यहाँ पे जो पूरा कार्यक्रम होने वाला है चंद शब्दों में हम सर की जुबानी ही जानेंगे। जय हिंद सर। जय हिंद एवरीवन, जय हिंद व्यूअर्स। We have gathered here today to witness the starting of Paramveer Sagar Yatra. This yatra is being undertaken by 20 NCC cadets. These cadets are specially selected on the basis of their physical endurance and the merit. These cadets are undertaking a rally wherein they will do a walkathon, flag off by Sincan, followed by embarking on a naval ship and visiting the 21 islands, remote islands named after the Paramveer Chakra awardees. As you all are aware, our Honorable Prime Minister has renamed those islands on Paramveer Chakra awardees. These cadets show their mettle by visiting those islands and hoisting national flag. They will also undertake certain activities like reading the Act of Valor and collecting soil, basically collecting soil of the island and presenting it to Honorable Prime Minister on 26 January or by this end of this month. The cadets will, after the flag off, they will commence the walkathon. They will walk from Flag Point to Naval Wharf. They will embark the ship. Ship will set sail by noon today, and they will start visiting those islands. I would also urge the viewers to take note of this, that these islands are not quite easy to embark. These islands don't hold a jetty. These islands are remote, infested with croc or many other sea creatures. The cadets, being fearless, wearing uniform, will visit those islands under the guidance of Indian Naval Warship, embark those islands with dignity and pride, hoist national flag and bring pride to these islands. And also, let me remind you that this event is happening for the first time in the islands in this scale for the NCC cadets. These cadets form a contingent from Directorate of Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Andaman Nicobar Islands and will represent the Andaman Nicobar Islands in the Republic Day camp at New Delhi, which is being monitored at the highest level and the PM himself. सर, जानना चाहेंगे कि क्या इन बच्चों को ऐसा किसी भी प्रकार की प्रशिक्षण दी गई है ताकि वे जो इस समुद्री यात्रा पे जा रहे हैं इस पिक्स में वे जो है सफल हो, कोई दिक्कत ना हो इनको?
Cadets are already selected on the basis of physical endurance. We do train the cadets for physical fitness. The cadets are also being trained for sea activities like rowing, boat pulling, sailing, etc. We have our own boats which train the cadets, and it is being under the custody of INS Zarava, and they have a naval jetty dedicated for the cadets, wherein the cadets sets practice on a regular basis for sea related activities. That develops the endurance that they require to enter these islands. The ship will not be completely able to approach the islands owing not availability of the jetty. However, the ship will anchor at a certain distance. The cadet will lower the boat by themselves and they will propel through the inflatable boats and reach the islands. However, just to cater their security, an armed sentry will also go just in case to scare off any croc or any sightings of sea creatures nearby.
क्या ये हमारे द्वीपों के बच्चे जो एनसीसी में है, नेवल एनसीसी एंड आर्मी एनसीसी में, क्या ये इनके लिए पहला अवसर है कि उनको इस तरीके के एक्सपीडिशन करने का और हमारे जो परमवीर चक्र अवार्डी है उनको सम्मान देने का और 26 जनवरी में हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी से मिलने का ये पहला मौका है?
जी बिल्कुल यमीन जी, this is the first time that the event is happening at this grand scale, and this camp we were being conducting, the cadets used to go from Andaman Nicobar Islands to Delhi, but they were only in single digits. However, we are sending them this time 20 of cadets, and they are meeting Honorable Prime Minister, and this is happening for the first time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Andaman Nicobar Command, particularly the organization of the Naval Component Commander, despite various operational commitments. Our sincere gratitude, as it is for the very first time that the girl NCC cadets of this region are sailing on board an Indian naval warship. This experience of going to sea is truly unforgettable and unique for the NCC cadets of this region. Our mention would also be in order for the silent support rendered to the NCC by the Chief of Staff Rear Admiral Hota. His personal intelligence has enabled cadet conduct of this expedition and also the various other NCC activities. The continued support to the NCC by the Army and Air Components has also been instrumental in the furtherance of NCC in this region. I also take this opportunity to convey a deep gratitude to the Union Territory Administration for all the support and permissions accorded for conducting this event at this historic venue. Last but not the least, the efforts taken by my team in making this event happen at Sri Vijayapuram for the very first time is also appreciated. Before I conclude, I once again thank the SINCAN for all the support rendered for the Paramveer Sagar Yatra and sir for your interaction with the cadets, and this definitely means a lot to them. Jai Hind.
Now invite the Deputy Director General to present the memento to the Honorable Chief Guest, Commander-in-Chief, Andaman Nicobar Command. Our Chief Guest, Vice Admiral Ajay Kochar, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Nausena Medal, was commissioned into the Indian Navy on 1st July 1988. He is an alumnus of the National Defence Academy, Khanatwasla, Defence Service Staff College, Wellington, Navy War College, Mumbai, and Royal College of Defence Studies, United Kingdom. In a career spanning over 37 years, he has held a number of specialist, staff, and operational appointments, both afloat and ashore. The flag officer is a gunnery and missile specialist and has tenanted appointments on board frontline ships of both Eastern and Western fleets. He has commanded Indian Navy ships Nashik, Vibhuti, Kirpan, and commissioned the frigate Finland at Russia. The flag officer has also commanded aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya as its third skipper. During his tenure, the carrier successfully completed integration and operationalization of its airway. In his staff appointments at Naval Headquarters, he has handled budgeting and weapon procurement issues at different directorates. On elevation to flag rank in 2018, the officer took over duties of Assistant Chief Carrier Production and Assistant Chief Warship Production and Acquisition, wherein he steered Government of India approvals for multiple shipbuilding projects, furthering the capability development of our Navy. He took over reins of the Western Fleet in 2021 and was instrumental in safeguarding the national interest in the maritime theatre during the challenging COVID times. The flag officer took over as commandant of the National Defence Academy in 2022, during which he spearheaded the induction of women standards and infrastructure. The Admiral took over as the Chief of Staff, Western Naval Command on 25th May 2024 amid the challenging situation emanating in the Western Maritime Theatre due to Israel-Hamas war and concurrent resurgence of piracy in Gulf region. He spearheaded the command response to all conventional and non-traditional threats emerging on the Western seaboard. He has also steered naval operations during Operation Sindoor, ensuring emerging leadership and experience. The officer has been appointed as Commander-in-Chief of Tri-Services Command at Andaman and Nicobar. Ladies and gentlemen, I now have the honor to invite our Chief Guest, Vice Admiral Ajay Kochar, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Nausena Medal, Commander-in-Chief, Andaman Nicobar Command, to kindly address the gathering.
of Staff, Andaman and Nicobar Command, Commodore A. Raghav, Deputy Director General, Headquarters, NCC, of Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Andaman Nicobar, my fellow colleagues and officers from the Andaman and Nicobar Command, civilian dignitaries present here today, dear NCC cadets, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to all of you. It is indeed a moment of great pride and a pleasure for me to be here today morning at this historic flag point of Shri Vijayapuram to flag off the Paramveer Sagar Yatra, which is being undertaken by the cadets of the National Cadet Corps on board an Indian naval ship. It is definitely a pleasure to interact with the young, inquisitive minds of our country, and definitely invigorating for me to understand how a young mind today thinks. I recall my previous interaction with the cadets of Naval Cadet Corps at Mumbai, and I came back a much happier and a much more learned human being, because I got to know what goes on in the young minds of the country today. This yatra is truly an inspiring national endeavor to instill a sense of patriotism, adventure and leadership amongst the youth of our country. What makes this event very special is that this is for the very first time that the young NCC cadets of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands have been given an opportunity to be part of a national event in the run-up to the Honorable Prime Minister's rally of the Republic Day camp at New Delhi. The Paramveer Sagar Yatra is a sailing expedition undertaken by the cadets of the National Cadet Corps on board Indian naval ship LCU-57 of the Andaman and the Nicobar Command. It is a voyage of tribute that will take our young cadets to each one of the 21 islands of the Andaman and Nicobar Island chain that have been named after the valiant Paramveer Chakra bodies. Cadets, you must be all aware that the Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration, awarded for the most conspicuous act of bravery in the presence of enemy. This Paramveer Chakra signifies valor, sacrifice and unwavering devotion to duty. These are some of the tenets and principles which you must endeavor to imbibe as you grow in your life. The purpose of this expedition is to pay homage to the unmatched courage of our gallant warriors. And this yatra is also aimed to spread awareness and a deep sense of pride about the deeds of the Paramveer Chakra bodies, especially among the younger generation like you, so that you instill a sense of nationalism, patriotism and a sense of duty towards the nation. This visit will also highlight the importance of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, as these islands hold a place of immense strategic and national importance. These islands, situated at the mouth of the Malacca Strait and in the Andaman Sea, serve as India's eastern springboard and an essential component of India's Act East policy. Beyond their military significance, these islands also embody our nation's commitment to cultural diversity and the spirit of resilience, which we are all familiar with when we look back in the history. To the NCC cadets embarking on this historic journey, this expedition will test your endurance, discipline, teamwork and leadership. But more importantly, it will shape your character. Because character is the single most important facet of any individual. In fact, when I was at the National Defence Academy, the single focus we had of training cadets was to instill a character which is unique and which is able to take on the challenges in the daily world. As you sail across the oceans, remember that you are the ambassadors of the youth of India. It should be your endeavor to imbibe the spirit of these Param Yodhas as our nation moves forward towards a developed country by 2047. To the students and the young citizens present here today, let this yatra inspire you to learn about our nation's heroes, to respect the uniform and to serve the nation with pride. While you embark on the LCU 56, I would also urge you to observe every single activity very carefully on board, because you will get to learn a lot. As you interact with the officers and the sailors of the Indian Navy on board ILCU 57, you will realize the sense of patriotism, the teamwork, the camaraderie and the single-minded focus which is required to be in uniform. I am sure that this yatra would also motivate you to join the armed forces and join the Indian Navy to serve the nation with pride and glory. As has been brought up by Commodore Raghav, the National Cadet Corps has grown from strength to strength, and it has kept up, or rather lived up to its motto of unity and discipline. And I'm also happy to note that the NCC at the Andaman and Nicobar region under his command is doing a great job. And the cadets of the NCC are today being recognized at all levels within the state and also at the national level. This is a wonderful opportunity for the youth to experience a sense of adventure and get a glimpse of the life in the armed forces. I would also like to thank the Director General of the NCC for conceptualizing this exceptional initiative in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. As I flag off the Paramveer Sagar Yatra, let us once again reaffirm our collective resolve to honor our fallen heroes, not just in words, but through our actions in everyday work and in our dedication to the nation. I wish the entire team taking part in the Paramveer Sagar Yatra fair winds, following seas, and a successful completion of the mission. Wish you all the best. Jai Hind, Sanghe Shakti.
Your guidance has reinforced the values of discipline, leadership and service to the nation, which lie at the core of NCC training. We are deeply honored by your gracious presence with us today. May I request all dignitaries, officers, cadets and attendees to rise for the NCC song followed by the national anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we have all been waiting for has arrived. I respectfully invite our chief guest, Vice Admiral Ajay Kochar, Ati Vishal Seva Medal, Nausena Medal, to kindly flag off the Paramveer Sagar Yatra. As we start off their march, the cadets commence their water drill.
Bharat Mata ki jai! Bharat Mata ki
Thanks to the Andaman Nicobar Command and all supporting agencies for their unwavering support in furthering the vision and spirit of the Paramveer Sagar Yatra, an expedition dedicated to honor the supreme sacrifice and gratitude of the Paramveer Chakra heroes. Thank you everyone.
तो अब हम डेप्यूटी डायरेक्टर जनरल एनसीसी कमोडर एस राघव जी, हम उनसे बात करेंगे और जानेंगे ये जो 20 बच्चों का समूह LCU 56 इंडियन नेवल वॉरशिप में जाने वाले हैं, जो 21 द्वीपों में ये विजिट करेंगे, उस बारे में थोड़ी और जानकारी हम सर से ही लेते हैं। जय हिंद सर।
Good morning. Today we had the flag off ceremony for the Paramveer Sagar Yatra, which is a yatra undertaken by 20 of cadets from the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This is a event as part of the Honorable Prime Minister's rally for the Republic Day camp, which is to be held in New Delhi in the end of the month. So these 20 cadets from these islands, from the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, will be sailing on an Indian Naval warship, an LCU 51 and 56. They will be touching all the 21 islands which have been dedicated to and named after the Paramveer Chakra awardees. In each of these islands, the cadets will recite the act of valor of the particular awardee and also collect soil, which will thereafter be put in a kalash and handed over to the presented to the Honorable Prime Minister during the PM rally. So it's a great opportunity for the cadets of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They have been doing very well in all the NCC activities, and some of them have got selected on their own merit into the directorate team, and they have been competing at the national level with the other directorates. And over the years, the cadets of this part of the country are doing extremely well by the training imparted to them in the NCC.
थैंक यू सर। कमोडर साहब, हम चाहेंगे कि आप हमारे द्वीपवासियों को, खासकर युवाओं को, बच्चों को, जो स्कूली छात्र छात्राएं हैं, उन्हें जो है एनसीसी की ओर आकर्षित करने के लिए चंद शब्द जरूर कहें, प्लीज सर।
I urge all the youth to take up NCC because it instills a sense of patriotism, unity, discipline, and it teaches you leadership, which are all very important facets and values which will help you in whatever career that you choose to take up as you go along in life. And I will also urge more cadets from this region to join the armed forces and take up the armed forces as a career.
थैंक यू सो मच सर। तो ये थे हमारे 20 बच्चे नेवल एंड आर्मी एनसीसी के, जो अगले कुछ दिनों तक जो है इंडियन नेवल वॉरशिप LCU 51 एंड LCU 56 में हमारे नेवल जांबाजों के साथ इस समुद्री यात्रा पे जाएंगे। एंड हम सब द्वीपवासियों का सीना जो है गर्व से चौड़ा भी करेंगे। इन तमाम 20 नेवल एनसीसी कैडेट्स को पूरे हृदय से ढेरों शुभकामनाएं देते हैं, उनकी हौसला अफजाई करते हैं। एंड हम चाहते हैं कि वे ये जो महान कार्य वे कर रहे हैं, इसे सफलतापूर्वक पूरा करें एंड किसी भी प्रकार की बाधा से ना डरते हुए वे यूं ही आगे बढ़ते रहे। कैमरा पर्सन दीपिका सोनी के साथ में यामिन, न्यूज अंडमान 24/7। जय हिंद।
भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम। भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम।